Hey guys, filming this from my new bedroom. So this is the equipment. Fuck, I suck at these videos so much.
That's okay.
No, it's not. I always sound like this. This is for the Collins thing this weekend with John. John made a Marine group. I don't really know what's going on. All I know is I'm gonna be a Marine for the weekend, doing my M60 impression. That's all I really know. I know John made a group. So here's some of my equipment. I really don't feel like I'm packing my bag or shit like that. If you guys want to go more in depth, I will, and I'll probably make a video about the event this weekend. So, oh fuck me. Let's get started. Yeah.
You should redo the video.
No, my videos are this bad. People still watch them because you faggots had nothing better to do. First up is my sweat towel.
That's not a sweat towel.
She's convinced it's for cum because when I'm done using it, it stays up like that. Also, she brought her cats over. I didn't like cats, but now I like cats because I have to.
Still doesn't like cats.
I like cats. I really, 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 really like cats. Next up, my third pattern M55 flak jacket. This is for way. I mean, I've seen probably at least 50 of these in way. I mean, they're really not that common, but it works. Way. Yeah, you guys will correct me. Sorry, fuck off. Way? I don't know. I didn't even pronounce it. I know John's gonna correct me. Anyways, this is third pattern. I've seen about 50 of these in way. It's got the wrong zipper, but yeah. So I'm currently working on getting a second pattern, but those are kind of a pain in the ass. I do like the look of the second pattern better. They look exactly the same, except they're more of a canvas nylon, where this is more straight up nylon. And most third patterns are made from repurposed second patterns anyways. Next up, my shitty helmet, because it doesn't have the same helmet graffiti it always has because John is not letting me use it. It's got an inner tube band, post-sport liner, cools. These are period correct cools. I have those in the helmets, and I have my rabbit foot on the back. So, really same helmet, same setup as it always is, minus the sick-ass helmet graffiti, so fuck you, John. Next up, I have my Zippo. I have another period correct cools. They always put a modern pack of cools on the inside. Next up, my NK M60. Julian did a video on how to make this. It's 36 minutes. I know it sounds like a long time, but it's really worth watching. It's basically a 36-minute video on why you should not buy the NK M60, but it does show how to improve upon it. Next up, I know I'm doing Marine, but Arvin packs do work. So I have my Arvin pack with the poncho, E-tool, 2 M56 canteens with covers, and a Claymore bag on the side.
Poncho.
Guys, we can't find Poncho. Poncho's a miss. For those who don't know, I own a bearded dragon. Its name is Poncho, and it does have an Instagram account. It has a cage, but
She just lets herself out.
Yeah, she lets herself out. Like the other day, me and Eva were sleeping, and we wake up to Poncho lighting herself in our room. She has the cage, but she's never in it. She lets herself around the house. She comes to the jewelry store all the time. She's always hanging out in the jewelry store window.
I miss Poncho.
I miss Poncho too. But yeah, so Poncho is not really like an animal. Doesn't really do much. You're gonna chuck it against the wall and it's still fine.
Sleeps in the cat bed.
Sleeps in the cat bed. Anyways, so I have Poncho there. I have a Poncho liner. I have 6 pairs of socks, an extra pair of pants, t-shirt, a fatigue shirt, a couple cans, and a couple, I think I have some playing cards and some random other shit. We're also doing a personal items display over there, so I'll probably end up bringing some personal items along with the sea rations. Next up, Vibram Sole Jungle Boots. These, I believe, are, what's the date on these fuckers? 66 dated. Hey, what month is 6?
June.
Oh, it's your birthday, yeah. So it's June 1966. They're Vibram. They're pretty shot out, not gonna lie. So I ended up having to glue that. I know I did it wrong, so fuck. These are ripstop. I'll end up wearing my poplins. But this is the first pair I grabbed because my shit's in the attic now, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to. Don't look at me. Don't look. Go back on your phone. Let's go back on my phone.
Your phone.
What are you doing on my phone? Oh, Christmas?
On my phone.
Filming a video? Wait a minute. So these are 68 gated grip stops. So they're semi-nice. I mean, I went from having like no original pants to I have a shit ton. Thanks, John. Next up is my parka. I really love this thing. You guys know it's probably one of my favorite things in my collection. I did cut out the inside of that so I can breathe more. They're meant for the Navy, but some Army used it and a lot of Marines used it, so I can get away with this for my Marine event more than I can for Army. Next up, I have my M17 gas mask bag with a gas mask. It has a drinking tube, but you're not going to see it too much during the event. So that one is like 1978 dated, so I know it's post-war, but it still serves the same purpose. 100 rounds M60 ammo, 100 rounds of M60 ammo, 100 rounds of M60 ammo. So I have 300 rounds plus 25 in the 60. So I'll be rocking 325 rounds in the pig this weekend. And last but certainly not least is my web set belt. I gotta tighten it up a little bit. I've been losing weight, so this is a medium. I did have it to full stretch. I put it down by one loop over there. I'm gonna bring it down another loop on here. So starting from left to right. Also, those who don't know, the M55, wear your web gear underneath. Starting off first, I have a JFAC with M10 hooks on the top of the belt. 1911 ammo pouch. Pilot survival knife until I have a Eva, you listening? Until I have a plain black K-bar with a black leather sheath for Christmas that doesn't say Army or Marines.
But you're definitely not getting.
I don't want you to get it for me for Christmas, but if you are looking for Christmas presents, Eva, watch this video. So, next up, M56 canteen cover with nylon trim. The 1910 hook, Korean War. Canteen cover, it's 52 dated. It's on the bottom of there. And a nylon trim M56 canteen cover. And my 1911. Because I am rocking M60, so M60 gunners would have a 1911 for those who don't know. So it's pretty basic. Not going to include the rest of my stuff. I'm going to go finish getting ready and take a shower. So, peace out.